The Internet is the success story of the past decades. It has had a major influence on our everyday lives, on business and politics. But especially, it has changed the way we communicate. The evolution of Web 2.0 helps us to move within our social networks in a fascinating fashion and with breathtaking speed. In many ways, Intercom is undergoing a similar evolution. Here, too, it's all about communication, interactive networking, and the use of cutting-edge IP technologies. However, there are some aspects in which the two worlds are crucially different. Intercom makes use of the latest communication technologies to enhance the security of people and property in any situation. But most importantly, it must achieve this with outstanding reliability, stability, and security. When developing our solutions, we must always rise to meet the challenge of one fundamental requirement. How can we use the latest communication technologies to give people the feeling of closeness, of comforting reassurance, and of security? How can we do this in difficult and testing situations, yet still cope with the restrictive demands necessary for effective surveillance and security control systems? To meet this challenge, we must satisfy three key requirements. Because the stakes are usually quite high, it is unacceptable that a system could crash. Frustration, inconvenience, and an increase to personal risk caused by system failure simply cannot be tolerated. The users must have full confidence in the knowledge that when the intercom is needed, it will deliver. High-quality speech is essential under all circumstances, especially where hands-free speaking and real-time responses are needed. Audio quality must be crystal clear, regardless of ambient noise levels and weather conditions. Operations must be possible over any distance, with no performance degradation throughout its entire investment lifecycle. Intercom must fit perfectly into all of its application environments, into existing and future connection technologies, into the individual needs and wants of customers, into modern energy-saving green IT concepts. Simply put, Intercom must seamlessly integrate with other systems and be sufficiently flexible that it can mold itself to suit current and future working practices. This must be possible for every installation, despite the huge operational differences of one company from another. To meet these three fundamental requirements, today's technologies dictate that Intercom needs its own core hardware and software. This is so because off-the-shelf technology cannot deliver the needs for all users. Because it's the only way to implement special applications such as echo cancelling or microphone and loudspeaker monitoring. Because common open protocols are not secure enough. Because different materials are needed to suit and survive the wide range of environmental circumstances that confront us. Because the massive data streams and processing loads require intelligent distribution. Because, unlike data and video, speech happens in real time and cannot be delayed. It must be immediately understood, as it cannot be reread like text or scrutinized for a time like video. And finally, this is so because compatibility must be ensured over many product generations and technology advances. Progress means taking many small steps, and often, but occasionally, a giant one is needed. Welcome to a world of new possibilities.